Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to rename your headphones JBL Tune 520 using your Android device. You have to start by open settings and then go to connected devices. Now click the settings icon near to your headphones. And right here near to the name we have this pencil icon. On some devices it's located at the right top. All you need to have is to click on it and now write the best one for you. Let's say I want to remove this text and add something like this one. After you finish, click rename, and we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!